Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to track dividend data for your favorite stocks right on TradingView, you're absolutely in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to access detailed dividend information so you can make smarter decisions as an investor, whether you're chasing income or just want a clearer picture of what your stocks are paying out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find all the essential dividend stats, what each piece means, and how to put that knowledge to good use. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your TradingView chart showing the stock you want to analyze. Now right-click anywhere on the chart, doesn't matter if it's on a candlestick, a line, or just empty space. This brings up a menu with a bunch of options. From here, click on Settings. It might seem like just another menu, but this is where you can unlock a lot of powerful features that aren't always visible at first glance. Once you're in the settings, look along the left side until you see the option called Events. Go ahead and click on that. Think of events as TradingView's way of marking important milestones on a stock's timeline, things like earnings reports, splits, and of course, dividends. You'll see a checkbox labeled Dividends. Click that, and now dividend events will start appearing directly on your chart. It's a small change, but a really impactful one. This means you'll actually see little markers pop up on the dates when dividends were announced or paid out. If you're building a dividend portfolio or just want to see how dividends fit into the stock's overall movement, this visual cue makes it much easier. Now hover your mouse over one of these new dividends markers on your chart. When you do, a small pop-up appears. This is where you get your critical details at a glance. The most important ones to notice here are the ex-dividend date, the amount, and the payment date. The ex-date is when you need to own the stock by in order to receive the dividend. It's kind of like your ticket to collecting the payout. The amount tells you exactly how much money is being paid out, usually per share. And the payment date is when the cash actually lands in your account. Don't worry if you're new to these terms. The chart makes it pretty easy to see everything in context without hunting through company announcements or news feeds. But let's say you're hungry for even more detail. Maybe you want to look at a history of dividend payments, spot trends, or analyze the income stability. No problem. Just look for something like More VZ Dividends or whichever stock you're viewing and give it a click. This takes you to a broader breakdown of dividend info. Here you'll see not just upcoming payouts, but the whole set of past dividend dates, how much was paid per share each time, and even the dividend yield. Yield is super useful, by the way. It shows you the annual income you'd get as a percentage of the stock price, letting you compare opportunities across totally different stocks. You'll also find dividend payout history, so you can see if a company is growing its dividends over time or keeping things steady. So that's the rundown. By right-clicking, tweaking settings, and exploring a few tabs, you get access to rich dividend data that can really inform your investing strategy. Take your time experimenting with these settings. The more familiar you get, the more you'll spot neat ways to customize your analysis. If this tutorial helped clarify anything for you, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you've got questions about dividends or using TradingView, drop them down in the comments. I read every one and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.